Welcome, and thank you for choosing Zora. The mini PC you've just unboxed is the small computer that drives your Zora screens. We've designed it to set itself up almost entirely on its own. Connect the cables, give it internet, power it on, and the system takes care of the rest. Before you start, there are two important things to know about the very first time you switch the mini PC on. First, your mini PC needs internet for the first boot. It ships with a small bootloader that downloads the full system the first time it powers up. About 1.3 gigabytes. So pick a spot with a good, fast connection for that first boot. After that, every later startup is local and instant. When the download finishes, the screens restart and show the blue iNav 4U logo, the eye-shaped logo, centered on each display. That's your signal that the install is done and the mini PC is moving on to find Zora. Second, during that first boot, the screens may briefly show a black text console with what looks like a login prompt. Don't worry. And please don't type anything. This is just the bootstrapper waiting. There is no login, no password. Just make sure the mini PC is connected to the internet and let it work. A quick word about where to do the first install. You have two good options. Option 1, at home, before going to the boat. Power up the mini PC on a strong home connection without connecting it to your Zora main unit. The bootloader installs everything. And because there's no Zora to find, the screens land on the inav4u.com homepage. Once you bring everything aboard, you'll pair the mini PC to your Zora using the Zora Setup app. Option 2, directly on the boat, with your Zora main unit already powered on and connected to the boat's router. In this case, when the mini PC finishes its first install, it discovers Zora automatically and opens the app on every screen. No pairing step needed. If your boat's internet is weak or unreliable, we strongly recommend option 1. Doing the download ashore is faster and avoids surprises during commissioning. That's everything you need to know before you start. To get your mini PC up and running, follow the step-by-step guide we've prepared for you. The link is just below.